Mastering the English alphabet, order and positioning. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to be looking at a fascinating aspect of the English language, the alphabetical order. The ability to understand and use the alphabetical order is essential for many everyday tasks, like looking up words in a dictionary or organizing your music playlist. So let's dive right in. By the end of this video, you should be confident in comparing and contrasting letter positions in the English alphabet. First, let's start with the basics. The English alphabet consists of 26 letters. From A to Z, they are arranged in a specific order known as the alphabetical order. That's easy enough, right? Here's how it goes: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. It's important to memorize this sequence because it forms the basis of understanding letter positions. Now that we know the order, let's see how we can compare the positions of different letters. Remember, the earlier a letter appears in the alphabetical order, the smaller its position is. For example, the letter B is in a smaller position than M because B comes before M in the alphabetical order. Similarly, T is in a larger position than D. Just like we compared, we can also contrast or identify the differences between letter positions. When contrasting, we can talk about how far apart the letters are in the alphabetical order. For instance, A and M are 12 positions apart, while G and H are just one position apart. Here's a fun exercise to strengthen your understanding. Try to guess which letter comes in a larger or smaller position without singing the entire ABC song. What's larger, P or V? Which is smaller, E or R? Exercises like these will help you internalize the order and quickly identify letter positions. And there you have it. You've learned the basics of comparing and contrasting letter positions in the English alphabet. Practice makes perfect, so keep on working on it until you're comfortable. Remember, knowing your ABCs and their order is not just for kids. It's an essential skill for every English language learner. We hope this video has been helpful. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing.